Hello, it's Kelly Timecat. I thought I might do a few bonus vlogs during the next week or two during the festive season. It's been a lovely day with clear skies and plenty of sunshine, especially this afternoon. I'm in North Wales for Christmas. This afternoon I had a fabulous walk. It's lovely to get out into the countryside and to observe the natural world. Later this evening, the solstice takes place, the winter solstice in this part of the world. It's often also described as midwinter here in the northern hemisphere. It is the time of the year when we experience the shortest hours of daylight. The sun appears to reach its most northerly or southerly excursion relative to the celestial equator on the celestial sphere. That's how it's described in Wikipedia. I love it as a turning point. I'm not so keen on cold, dark, often wet conditions. I prefer the sunshine and warmth, and so whilst we're at the furthest extreme after today, the length of daylight will gradually get longer as we head back towards midsummer. I do prefer the summer. Whilst we only get 7 hours and 50 minutes of daylight and we get over 16 hours of darkness, it's finally the shortest point. It's going to get better from now on. Of course, the celebration. It's really nice seeing all the lights on people's homes. It's great to see people carrying Christmas trees ready for decoration. I'm not that keen on the consumer side of things, especially advertisements, overconsumption. What really counts is spending time with people, spending time with loved ones, catching up with friends, having social time. That's what I like about this time of year. The sort of cosy feeling of a crackling fire, having a good catch up with friends and family. One turning point that happened slightly earlier is St. Lucy's Day, that happened on the 13th of December. In the Nordic countries, all the festivals of light welcoming light into the darkest time of year. That's one of the things I most like about the cosy side of December, especially when it is often quite bleak, the driving rain, the wind, the long hours of protracted darkness. That's what I like about the second half of December, really, not so much the consumerism. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.